guys wey don reach 50 go dey tell the man say e dey 35, e dey 40. Why? Age. Remember say one day una will go home o. Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you watch from. If you never see this face before, na me, or na sister, or na friend, or na girl, baby Brida Concept. I welcome you to our channel. For the new ones, wanna try subscribe. For the ones who don't they watch before, we never subscribe, I swear you they wait for. God is watching you. God is watching you. God is watching you from a distance. So when you try to subscribe, you see this one why I sing for you. God will watch you. So when you go subscribe. For the ones who don't subscribe, I say thank you very much. God will bless all of us. We are moving forward, moving forward. We don't hit 2,000 subscribers. We are moving. Oh, you guys are the best. God bless you. God bless you. Also, I don't see the topic. Nah, things where your partner is supposed to know. Where you must know about you. Things where you don't need to keep secret from your partner. So, may we hit them. Things where you're supposed to let your partner know about you. Nah, the relationship where you don't date before. You might not mention all of them. But if that person dey your city where you with that your partner dey, that your husband or your wife dey, let them know. Say, you see this person, maybe I don't do something before. Why they told this thing? Because I don't see many people where later either that their ex for the man, come one they use one blackmail the woman. Because you get one video where I watch where they catch one man and one woman. Now husband catch wife with another man. When they come they talk how the thing happen, the man where the wife dey with, nah, the husband friend. Now the man catch the wife with. And this the husband friend don't date the woman before. Now the woman is. The woman not tell him husband. Immediately where the guy, that your husband friend, no say this lady marry the man, now is on start the friendship. We come close just to use get the woman. As he come they come now, the woman mumu, you not tell your husband say, you see this person, I don't want her for this house, or I don't want to make you and they close. See things where we don't do things before. May for look like Mary, Virgin Mary, Saint One, maybe like say he holy, he not talk. So now the man now that man come become your husband, friend, best friend, every time they come. So one day now the man come use system, come know say the woman not tell your husband about them. So he can't use the thing, they blackmail the woman. What I say, if you not let me do, I will tell your husband, say, me with you, run things well. As foolish as the woman, where you go tell your husband, say, see what thing they happen, no. Second time now. First time, where they come, you not tell your husband, say, this person, me with and don't do something. This one and a second opportunity to let your husband know, say, this person, see, oh, they blackmail me, this. See what thing happen, no. He not talk. He can't say, okay, if now go make you quiet, me we do. They can't start to they do, with the contact carry them. Come finally losing husband. The idiot now is still loser. Because that one not even first come for marriage. Now wait till the job remain, you want come finish. So you might come lose everything. Now motivate me because now I make this video. If he gets something person wey you can don dey, una dey that same city as a man or woman, because some women still dey do am. Some ladies wey don friend man, as the man marry, na that time the man go come become this thing for their eye. Na dem first refuse am say dem no go marry am o. As the man na don marry, dem no come wan leave am again. Dem go come wan make the wife friend, make dem for use dey come the house. But if the man tell him wife say, you see this person, no, we don do things before, well, I no see wetin dey inside. Na your past, na your past. Abeg, this person I no want am make e come close to this house. I no want make e come close to us. I no want make e come close to you. Na person wey meet and don get something before. You be say you talk am. If anything happen, na the partner wey no wan lis ten, na him get the blame. So you talk am. If the person even come, the way wey you go take do, the person no come your house again. You know say, I'm a married woman or I'm a married man. You see this house? No, you can't come in. I know say una no dey greet o. You see your ex, una greet for hello, hello, una pass. You understand? Una no be enemy. But that one say, na come sit down, come dey tori, dey talk, dey do this one. You go come your house, you go in house, you na go meet for joint, dey drink. Why do they bring all those connection? Maybe say you don't marry. So now the thing why they talk, if he get person where you date for your city, and you come now that city you for the marry, let your partner know that person. Say, especially when the person come be person wey wan start to dey come close, don't tell your partner say, you see this person wey dey come close, beg, a person wey meet and don't get something before, I no go like make it come close. Simple. And so nobody will not get past. After I will not meet you virgin. After the woman no say the man you don't still date person before. So he said, now one of the person who I date before, or now the person who I date before, I don't want them close near us. And the other one come be the one for Europe now. I can't see this thing well. Woman go they hide the age. To this, you go still marry the man not knowing the age. Person we don't reach 50, go they tell the man say he did 35, he did 40. Why? Age. Remember say one day I will go home. If on a day say on a day abroad, on another day home, you they hide your age. One day when I go reach home, and maybe we on a day with family members, so those kind of things, you go see who call you auntie. You go look the person auntie. If na man wey be say he sabi fine artist, you come the trace. How this matured person go call this one auntie? You come the trace. Maybe they'll come bring a picture. Say that person self where they say he old, you senior and well. Now Europe weather and taking care of yourself. Now it make you still look young. That age on women, they too they do this thing. You go see person now where lady wey don the age don't show self. You know say senior you go they call you auntie. When I dey Africa, not they see more because I be abo people will they forbid that and say who you can't greet who you senior. Good afternoon, ma. You come put ma for the greeting who you senior. If you like Mario, because for a year now, if you ask person say, why this person is senior me, why you go put ma? They'll say because say you marry na make am. Where for come o? That why for come, I never see him. Waiting he marry. We go make person wey me senior. I know say I senior. I will come tell am good afternoon, ma, because he marry and maybe me never marry. No, not they do. So that made the thing they sound very strange. that one aside, that one a topic for another day. But you now go come dey reduce your age. You see people wey you senior, if you wan do birthday now, you dey 40, you come say you dey 30 years birthday. Why all those things? Who you dey deceive? Man now wey go come meet you for inside that birthday, maybe you dey single when you dey do that wayo birthday now, he come meet you, you say, you 30 years, you say, yes, I'm 30 years. And now he go come do now, and I'll come the friend. Before you know, he say he propose. You now no go say, may you change that 30 years, say, I just use that time. Oh, you still carry the 30 years, they go. That time, maybe you don't be 43, because maybe on I don't date for 3 years now before you propose or something. Some self, they say that they study woman, like say na this thing course. Now one not topic for another day. So on our constant now, the age don't see add join for that 40. You the answer 32. Maybe you don't enter 42. The man now, maybe the man self go come be say the man at 35. You will say, okay, I still senior this lady with I still senior this girl with 3 years. You don't know say you even use almost 10 years senior. You see? So that thing, if the man find out, say now who senior and I they marry, some men feel very so. That if it's for marriage. So now you can't trick and put inside. And the family now of the man, when the man don't tell say, na small girl, I senior am. How the one come take and say, you senior their pikin. Say, you be Uduma younger. So, the two way they make they try, women, ladies, make they try be ourselves. You reduce age, oh, no go say age na number. The person look you, okay, when you tell that person you be 30 years and you day 40 or you day 45, I think the person accept them because the way you look very young. If you tell the person, now you go even they tell you, say, they go now lie, you they lie. Now you say you be 45, you, as you fresh like this, as you did. Say, yes, now my age, you look young, na number. If the person wants you, take you like that. Don't trick person into marriage or this thing, they lie, unnecessary lie. They lie, they make money, they lie, they do, your own lie now for age. You deceive man. What do you gain? Wait, this age where they reduce, where they call football age, waiting then they gain for inside. Now you go say, may you not die when you want die, when you will die. When God destiny say now you go die, now you go say make you reduce. Or now you go say make the prosperity where one come in 20 years time, because say you now come say now 40 years, you go meet them quick. Now that destiny now so you go still build. Or you can't reduce and now you go come say okay, then you it go make you live longer because say you lie, you reduce your age, your life go expand. Yeah. You ask person now your age, now he hard. Why he hard for especially women? Men now don't they join the matter. Men don't they lie for their age. So this thing now be waiting, even if not let your partner know your age, okay, you don't want to talk on far side. May they not look you say you don't too old or you are too young, because you get some two maybe say they ever still reach the age, they will come increase them. Some still day like that, but those ones lie, carry water. Now this one maybe say you don't old, when they say young, now be the main one. So make partners more try. They talk true. They tell our partner. We not say more can't tell us for our side. Tell your partner your real age. No carry that lie, they go. You carry they go years. No good. The number 3 on the third one can't be